Welcome to ManagePlus tutorials. I'm Monica, and in this video, I will explain how to import your prospects into a new list and start a campaign with them. Go to ManagePlus app. Open Email Studio from the left navigation. Click on List. Click Add List and add a name to identify it later. Select the Static List checkbox and click on Next to save it. After this, click on the Import from CSV or Excel tab. On the next screen, select the file you want to import from your local computer. You can put all these contacts under any contact type in your CRM. I'm selecting prospects here. Click on the Next button to go to the next step. Next, map columns from your Excel sheet with respective data points in your CRM. With our Smart Mapping option, some Excel columns that match with CRM data will map automatically, but we have to map the others manually. In my Excel sheet, I had a column named Personal LinkedIn. I'm mapping that with the Contact LinkedIn Profile field. Similarly, I'm mapping the Website column with the Company Website field. In summary, we map our Excel sheet columns with the fields in our CRM so our prospects' information is saved in a correct data point. This is a very important step as these data fields can be used further for campaign personalization and other information retrieval. Once all the fields are mapped properly, click the Upload All button at the bottom of the page and this will start the import process. This can take some time. Once this process is finished, click on Back to List and you will see that all the contacts imported in the list. Click Save and your newly created list is visible on top. Your Excel sheet is successfully imported. And your newly created list is ready to use in any campaign. Let's create a new email campaign with this list of imported contacts. Click on the campaign's link. Then click on the Create Campaign button. Give it a new campaign name and select an email account from which you want to send an email. Set other settings like preferred days, send time, time zone, and number of emails per day. And then click on the Save button. Next, in the Campaign Members tab, click on Select a List. On the next screen, select the list that we had just created and click on Proceed with Selected List button. This will add all the prospects from your list to the campaign. Next, go to the Journey tab to create a new email and follow-up sequence. Click on the plus button and select Send Email under the Channels option. This will open a new drawer where you can add your subject line and email copy. Here you can add variables to improve email personalization. Once the email copy is ready, I'll generate a Spintax version of the same using our AI-powered Spintax generator by clicking on the Spintax generator button. Creating a Spintax version is optional, but I recommend doing it because Spintax improves email deliverability by creating unique wording while keeping the same core message. To test how the production version will look, click on the Send Test Email button. This will show an option to select your sender email account. Next, enter an email ID where you want to send this test email and fill in the dynamic first name value that will show up in our subject line variable. After filling all of it, click the Send button and this will send a test email to your desired email account. Testing email is a great way to see everything working before we make our campaign live. Let's create the next steps of this campaign. Click on the plus icon and select a wait time. In my case, I've selected a wait time of 3 days, but you can set it according to your flow. Next, to add a follow-up email, click on the plus button again, and select the Send Email option under the Channels option. This will open a new drawer where you can add your follow-up copy. For a simple example, I'm keeping it a 2-step sequence here, but according to your requirement, you can add as many steps as you want. Once the campaign sequence is ready, review your campaign. If everything is good to go, click on the Start Campaign button. This is it. Your campaign is up and running now. It will start sending emails according to your selected start date and time. You can monitor the progress by visiting the Analytics tab. Comment below if you have any questions for me. Thanks for watching.